I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the Majesty King Carl Gustaf XVI of Sweden has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the non-resident ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the Kingdom of Sweden to the Republic of Fiji. I convey to Your Excellency the warmest wishes and regards from my Prime Minister and his government from Sweden for continued prosperity, peace, and well-being of your Republic of Fiji. Let me assure you, Your Excellency, that I will do my utmost to serve my country for the benefit of your country and my country, and for the Pacific. It's a true honor for me to stand here today. Your Excellency, I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor. Your Excellency, I thank you.
Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, and members of the entourage, I'm so pleased to have received your credentials. And I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji. Wish you, Madam, a very successful mission. Please convey to His Majesty the King, the Prime Minister, the government, and the people of Sweden our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.